In this video I'm going to show you my after workout meal, which is fast to prepare and full of protein. So let's start it. Turn on the stove on medium heat, add the pan and let it heat up. While waiting, let's crack 3 eggs so we can use them later. Once our skillet is hot, add the butter and wait for it to melt completely. Let's add the eggs. A useful tip, adding a little bit of water and covering the skillet will create a steam that will cook the top of the eggs as well. Continue cooking like this for about 2 minutes. In the meantime, let's cut the tomatoes. You can cut them simply in half. If you would like more fancy, you can cut them in quarters. Just like this. Or if you have a lot of them, you can use a plate or, in my case, base of a cup. Place the tomatoes under the cup and cut in the middle. Add them into a plate. And when the eggs are done, add them into the plate as well. Season with salt and pepper. To this we can add some ham, mozzarella, and some bread if you like, so you can soak it later into the egg yolk. Very delicious. Here and also in the description below you can find a list of ingredients. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you're in a mood for another recipe, here you can find 2 other ideas for a delicious meal. Thank you and buon appetito!